welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be really exciting. I'm going to talk about a brand called as Dr. Shades. So they have come up with 3 amazing new products and I'm going to review those products for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, talking about the brand Dr. Shades. Dr. Shades is a very well-known Indian brand. Their products are made in India, and when they curate their products, 3 generations of people are doing their research and then only they curate their product, which is a really good thing. Also, the brand is completely toxic free. The brand is vegan, cruelty free, and all the products are very natural, which is really good for our skin, and all skin type people can use these products. So in today's video, I'm going to review 3 newly launched products. The first product is the Amla VC20 Vitamin C Serum. The second product is the Niacinamide Serum. And the third product is On The Glow Cleansing Spray. So firstly, let me guys give you a disclaimer. I am not wearing any makeup right now. I have just done my skincare and nothing else on my face. I have also been trying these products over 2 weeks now, so the review is going to be very honest. Starting with the Amla VC20 Vitamin C Serum. This is how the outer packaging looks like. The best part about this packaging is that everything is mentioned on the box. Each and every detail is mentioned on the box, which is really good. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. This is how the bottle looks like. Again, everything is mentioned on the bottle also. It also comes with a dropper, and you can also see how much product you have used. I am almost halfway through this already. So the serum consists of 20% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, 1% sodium hyaluronate, which is a concentrate form of hyaluronic acid, and amla extract. Vitamin C is a shield against premature aging. Sodium hyaluronate helps to make your skin supple and soft, and amla extract is a powerful antioxidant for your skin. This retails for 999 rupees for 20 ml of product. I love to use this serum in my morning skincare routine, and also please make sure that you use good amount of sunscreen after this. It is really important to protect your skin after using such powerful serums. After using this serum for almost 2 weeks, the dullness from my skin has gone, and it has really made my skin really hydrating. So during the day, I love to use this. This is the On The Go Cleansing Spray. This is how the outer packaging looks like. Again, I love the fact that everything is mentioned on the packaging. And this is how the bottle looks like. The bottle is so travel friendly. You can always keep it in your bag. It does not take a lot of space, and the bottle will not leak. It also comes with a cap, so the bottle is really travel friendly. So basically, this is the On The Go Cleansing Spray. You do not need water, or you do not need to rinse your face after using it. Whenever you feel that your skin is dehydrated or there's a lot of dirt on your face, you can use this. Especially right now during summers, when we step out, our face always feels very tired, and there's a lot of dirt. गर्मी में बहुत हालत ख़राब हो जाती है. So I feel this is the best product right now. You just have to open the cap and spray it, and you're good to go. This really hydrates your skin and cleanses your skin well. So this has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and blackberry extract and rose extract in it. So all the good things are present in this cleansing spray. So this will really help to clean your face really well and also hydrate at the same time. And this product is quite affordable. This one retails just for 350 rupees for 50 ml of product, which is a really good thing. I feel every girl should have this in her bag, especially during summers. So the last product which I have is this Niacinamide Serum. This is how the outer packaging looks like. Again, the same as the Vitamin C Serum. I love that everything is mentioned on the box. So this is how the bottle looks like. This serum is quite thicker than the Vitamin C Serum. If you are someone who has acne, oil control issues, or pigmentation, this serum is best for you guys. Niacinamide Serum helps to reduce acne or acne scars, and it also helps to reduce redness. If you have redness in your skin, it will help to soothe that, and if you have pigmentation, it really helps to remove all your pigmentation, especially around your mouth. And lastly, it also hydrates your skin. This one retails for 650 rupees for 30 ml of the product, which honestly is a very good deal. You just need 2 to 3 drops of this serum and apply it all over your face and your neck. I like to use this in my nighttime skincare routine. You guys can use it twice a day for effective results. Also guys, all the 3 products are sulfate free, paraben free, vegan, non-toxic and pregnancy safe. These products are suitable for all skin types and I have honestly been loving all these products. You guys can also try these products. I'm going to leave a link for all the products down in the description box below. I'm also going to link a Dr. Sheth's YouTube channel. You can check their channel out and see many other product reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video. Bye!